Hey Frugivore, welcome back to the Garden of Freedom. So I have a big announcement today. My 12-month course, How to Master a Fruit-Based Diet and Live as a Frugivore, is officially open. And honestly, I couldn't be more excited to welcome you in, to have you in the group. So here's the deal. You're getting 12 months with me every single day within this private community. It's not the same as one-on-one coaching, which would cost over $18,000 if you wanted to hire me for the full year. But this is the next best thing. You'll have my guidance and support every step of the way for a fraction of the cost. My 18 years experience on a fruit-based diet. So why am I doing this? Because I want you to succeed. I want you to wake up in the morning with energy, look in the mirror and see the real you, the slim, healthy, glowing and confident you. And this is within you right now. And it is your birthright as a frugivore. So this course is for you in particular if you're a vegan looking to upgrade your plant-based diet. If you're tired of feeling bloated, overweight, reliant on caffeine, stuck in this cycle of binging and yo-yo dieting, then this course is for you. There'll be new videos every week. There's going to be recipe demonstrations. There's going to be free ebooks for you to download. There's going to be live streams. You can ask me whatever you want, some workshops. Also, a supportive community around you all the time. I'm not sure what else you would need to support you on this journey. And just imagine the difference you can make in 1 year. This could be it for you. This could be your year, the year of the Frugivore, 2025. Let's make it happen. So what is possible during these 12 months, you might be asking? Well, look, there's no guarantees, but I can show you results from some members who have already been on Rotor 4 for some time. For instance, Elena started at 273 pounds and lost over 105 pounds within 7 months. And she reversed years of binge eating, high blood pressure. Julie, she lost over 70 pounds in 1 year. Ellen, she lost over 120 pounds in the first year. She healed bone disease, increased her hair growth, and much more. So I don't want you to focus on weight, and I'm not guaranteeing your results will be the same, but these are real life humans and real life results. So now consider, what could 12 months of focused guidance with me and with an amazing supportive group do for you? Think about that for a second. I mean, how much money have you wasted over the years on diet plans and junk food only to get fatter and sicker? Honestly, there's so much rubbish out there. This is about actually aligning with your true frugivore physiology. This isn't just another diet program. This is about reconnecting you as a frugivore on a fruit-based diet, the way your body is designed to thrive. By aligning you with this lifestyle, you're not just transforming your health, you're becoming part of a movement that's changing the world. Together, we're proving that a compassionate, fruit-based way of living is the key to better health, to increased harmony with nature, and a kinder future for all living beings and for future generations. And I know it can feel scary to invest in yourself, but think about this. Where will you be in 1 year if you don't make this change? Think about that now. What's holding you back from saying yes to your best self, to becoming your healthiest, happiest self? This is your chance to live differently and to be supported and to thrive how you're meant to be. So the spots are open for a limited time, and I have a 50% off discount, which is not going to last. So don't wait to make this happen. If you're ready to join me and finally live the life you know you're capable of, then now is the time. Let's do this together. Sign up now and I'll see you inside the community. Like I said, 50% off, and that's for a limited time. So I would grab that. It's fantastic value. All right, don't forget that 50% off deal is not going to last. I'll see you in the group.